Japan. Japan is famous for its technology and make many motor things, machine things, and also it is a pretty good country, not gonna lie. So, which one I should choose? I think I should choose the flashcards of transport. Doctor treat us in so many things, and doctor give us so many medicines.
Hi everyone. Hi. How are you all? Okay, so are you ready for a tremendous session? Yes! Okay, so first, take your seats. Okay, so your today's session is going to be based on the flashcards. Okay, what is going to be your activity today? You have to deliver your information, but the twist is this, that first you have to come here, you have to select any of the flashcards, and then after you have to give information with the help of flashcards. So, are you ready for it? Yes! Sure? Yes! This team, are you ready? Yes! This team, are you ready? Yes! Okay, so without wasting your time, let me call the first performer of our today's performance is. Okay, so it's going to be Arav. Clap for Arav. 3, 2, 1, and the time starts now.
So which card? Let's choose a little bit different one. Let's choose country flag. That's good. Now let's see what the countries are. Australia, China, India, Japan, and now the first.
How to say that ma'am, I have selected the flashcards of countries. आपके बताने के बाद and we have energy product to you. Okay, start. Choose.
So which card do I choose? Let's choose a little different one. Country flag. So ma'am, I choose country flag cards.
Okay, so you can start it.
So my cards are Australia, China, India and Japan. Let's start first from Australia. Do you know Australia is the 6th largest country, and the desert is called Outback, and Australia is also a very big country, has many states, and also it is famous for culture, agriculture, and etc. Let's go with China. Do you know China is very popular for its population. It has the biggest population, and also it is in second biggest populated country in the world. And guys, it is, and Beijing is the capital of the China and world's most popular country in populations. And now we have to go with Japan. Japan is famous for its technology and make many motor things, machine things, and also it is a pretty good country, not gonna lie. And the capital city of it is Tokyo. Now we are going to the country where we live, and it is India. Do you know? India is the 7th biggest country in the world, and the second most population in the world, and rupee is the currency of India. And thank you guys for listening my the information. And if you want to listen more, go subscribe Bari English Academy.
Okay, it was really good. It was beyond my expectation level. I was not aware of कि अरब के सारी countries के बारे में पता है. Right? I was literally not aware of कि अरब के सारी countries के बारे में पता है. But he has shared us a good information level, right? So clap for Arab. Nice. Okay, so for the next performance, I would like to call our beautiful girl named Vanya. Clap for Vanya. Aajo Vanya. Vanya, you know, right? First you have to select any flashcard, and after that you have to give the information about it. Okay? So, are you ready?
Yes.
Start.
So, which one I should choose? I think I should choose the flashcards of transport. So, I'm going to tell you the flashcards of transport. So, first I will tell you about a helicopter. Like helicopter. From the helicopter we can go anywhere because it flies like so many birds. And helicopter is a air transport, and you all know about the helicopter also. And now I'm going to tell you about bus. It is a land transport, and
There are the flashcards of air transport, land transport.
and there are the flashcards of air transport, water transport, and land transport. So, bus go on the land, so we can call it the land transport. And now I am going to tell you about boat. It is a water transport, and we can see the view of water with the boat if we are sitting in the boat. And thank you. Which one can I choose? I choose professional. Ma'am, I choose profession flashcards.
Okay, so are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
So, hi everybody. This is Ashmita. Today, I am going to tell you about professions. So, here are some flashcards. First is chef. Do you know what is chef do? Chef make so many food items for us, like healthy foods and unhealthy foods, like pizza, burger, chow-mein, and other foods. And next is doctor. Doctor treat us in so many things, and doctor give us so many medicines to keep our body healthy. And next is teacher. Teacher gives so many information to us. Like you can see Khushi ma'am. Khushi ma'am gives so many information to us. There are so many types of teacher in the world. Next is barber. Barber cuts our hair and makes stylish our hair. And guys, thank you for listening me. So what I should choose? Okay, according to me, I should choose the body parts. Simply, you all know that body parts are very important for us. So I should choose these cards to talk about my performance. So first is going to mouth. You can talk about mouth. That mouth is the important part of our life because of our body. Because imagine that if we ate food, so after eating it, we are thinking that by using which part we have eaten our food. So you are right, it is our mouth. And you can see two more things in our mouth. There is teeth and there is one more thing, tongue and teeth. There are so many types of teeth like incisor, molars, premolars, etc. And our teeth help us to chew the food which we have eaten. And tongue. So tongue help us to taste the food, that how it is. And my second will be eyes. Eyes is also a most important part. Eyes are also a most important part of our body. Why it is important? Because which thing we are seeing in our world, in our beautiful space. By using our eyes, we are seeing these all things. So according to me, eyes is important thing. So next I would like to tell you about ears. Ears are most important part. Ears, without it we can't listen anything which is sounding in our world. So according to me, you should save your ear. You should not burn the highest cracker, because if you burn it, so it will make more sound. So now according to me, you have understand that what are these things. So thank you guys. According to me, I think you like my performance. If you have any doubts, so you can ask me. Thank you guys.
Yes, I have so many doubts. How can you perform that much good? And how can you have that much information in your small brain? Clap for us, guys. It was good.
Which flashcard I choose? Oh, animals. So, hello everybody. This side Kushab. So today I'm going to tell you about animals. So, do you know about animals? There are so many types of animals, like herbivorous, carnivorous, or omnivorous. Do you know about carnivorous animals? The carnivorous animals eats only the flesh, they eat only meat, and first of all they will kill anyone's animal and they will eat it. They kill and they will eat. And next would be the goat. Guys, do you know about goat? The goat is herbivorous animal because the goat eat only grass, and you can give it to milk and she will drink. And next would be our cat. So cat is omnivorous because they can eat meat also and milk also. And cat, if you can give it to bread, so she can eat. She can eat everything. So thank you for listening me, and thank you.